Hello! How are ya? This is Chef Michael McDermott. We are making a really quick meal tonight. Pasta puttanesca. And as you can see, I already have some caplers and pitted rough chopped Kalamata olives in here with quite a bit of olive oil. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add quite a bit of garlic, some minced garlic. Okay? But I want to show you that you can make something fresh from something that's prepared. Now over here, we have some marinara, okay? It's prepared marinara, got no sugar in it. I think it's organic. By the way, the Kalamata olives are organic too. But also I want to tell you, you can get some organic items at your regular grocery store for very inexpensive. Anyway, this is called puttanesca. It's Lady of the Night pasta, okay? Now, stirring this up, and really all I'm doing is, as you can see, I want to wait till the garlic is white. Now, can you see that? The garlic just turned white. I don't want to overcook it. I don't want to burn it. When you burn garlic, it makes it bitter, okay? So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this red sauce. It's just a plain old marinara, okay? Now also, this is a one-dish meal, people. One dish. I'm going to make the sauce in this pan. I'm going to add the pasta after I cook it and drain it to this pan. All right? Now, we're going to turn this all the way down. I have it all the way down to 1, actually. And we're going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to come back. And in the meantime, we're going to make our pasta. Now, I want to show you this stuff. It's pretty cool. It's chickpea pasta. Doesn't have any corn or any crazy other flour in it. It's pretty easy to digest, and it's a gluten-free pasta. I absolutely love it. So anyway, I'm going to make the pasta while we're letting the sauce cook for about 15 minutes. And I'll be right back. This is Chef Michael's Food Hacks with Chef Michael McDermott. Hello, I'm back with pasta puttanesca. Now, as you can see, the pasta's done. I've drained it. Now, what I'm going to do so I don't make a mess is I'm going to put the pasta back in this big pot and mix it. And then we're going to put it in back in the saute pan and serve it Can you hear the sizzle? Listen to the sizzle. Now I'm using a spatula because I want to get all the sauce out. And I used a non-stick pan. I used one of my diamond pans from Wally Mart. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to mix this real quick together, okay, in the pot. I'm going to rinse my pan out real quick too. Look how lovely that is. Oh my goodness gracious. And I actually took a little bit of the sauce out because I don't want to drown it in puttanesca. I'm also going to show you how to make some quick meal kits because when you're cooking, you should always cook more than you actually need, okay? Now, to serve it on the table, we're going to put it back in the saute pan. And we can put that right on the table. Now, this will feed about 4 people. And guess what? It's about $5 to feed 4 people with this food, okay? Look at that. I'm getting all the nice sauce here with my spatula. Now, how we finish this, we're just going to put a little grated Parmigiano Romano on here. As you can see, look how lovely. And it's done. And like I said, we're feeding 4 people for about $5-6, okay? Look how pretty that is. Wow, that's pasta puttanesca, Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Now, one last thing I'm going to show you is you can take some of this. Now, you can get these anywhere. They're microwave. You can put them in the freezer. Can't put them in the oven, okay? Anyway, so we're going to put some of this in here, right? Now, it's still hot, so I'm going to let it sit on the counter for a few minutes. And then I'm going to put it in the freezer and what's called blast chill it for about 15 minutes to make it cold. Then I can either freeze it or put it in the refrigerator. It'll keep it about 3-4 days. So look what I do now. And once it's cold, let's pretend I've got a label on here that says pasta puttanesca. I put a thing on here, the label on, and wow, you got pasta puttanesca meal kit. Yum! This is Chef Michael. Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember, when you eat well, you live well. Pasta Puttenesca.